Altec is a leading provider for equipment and services for a bunch of different industries. That includes the electric utility industry, telecom industry, the lighting and sign market, the tree market, all of those different types of markets. So this is our LS49. It is a telescopic boom designed for the lighting and sign industry. We designed it specifically to meet the needs of the lighting and sign industry. So there's a bunch of different features throughout this truck that are designed in order to make sure that they can be as profitable and as efficient as possible on the job site. Of course, we want to maximize the amount of capability that the truck has, and that starts with the thing that everyone cares about the most, which is the boom. The boom of the truck is just shy of 50 feet, it's 49.5 feet with 43 feet of side reach, and it is capable of setting up in a very small working envelopes. A lot of our customers in this industry like to have a very small footprint in order to fit into traffic lanes and tight spaces that they typically have to work in. So this unit maximizes that capability for reach and side reach. And it does that by the outrigger system that we have here, which allows you to what's called short jack the system. And short jacking is being able to drop either one or both sides of the outriggers and still getting a working envelope that you are able to utilize effectively to maybe work in, say, one lane of traffic to go up and fix a traffic light or a traffic sign that's above you. You have the full capabilities of operating the truck from the lower controls over here, and that's also where you would typically operate the crane feature. So you can see at the top we have a cable, and you have this crane feature that you're able to lift heavy loads up to 2,000 pounds with this truck. We have other trucks that can do even more, up to 5,900 pounds. At the basket you have everything from moving the boom up, down, left, right, side to side, and you can rotate the basket 180 degrees, so you can get all the way to one side and all the way to another. And yeah, you basically have every control that you would have down at the lower controls besides the winch up there for the basket. And you have the ability to have two men up there at the same time with a load if you needed to, with our jib winch that's capable of lifting up to 500 pounds. So a few of the other features that we have single-handed controls, so that maximizes the operator's capability to do things with only one hand in terms of operating the unit and having the other hand free to do whatever they need to, if that's controlling the load on the jib or whatever that might be. The other thing that we have the capability of doing is taking that platform off, and by being able to take that platform off, you can also, very easily taking it off, we have an attachment that we've patented that is basically a forklift, and you can attach that to that same, take the basket off, put this forklift attachment on, and you have the ability to lift up some heavy loads. So that's a nice feature and capability that we're able to offer from Altec with this product, as well as the three other sister products that we have that are slightly larger than this. We have the ability to put a welder generator on this unit, and what that does is allows welding capabilities as well as power generation for any power that might be required up at the basket for electric tools or anything like that. Altec is a kind of full service company. We are a family-owned company, started in 1929. It remains a family-owned company in the same family to this day. And we like to think that promotes a sense of community between us as employees of Altec, but also that extends to our customers. And that's reflected in our values, with the first one being customer first, which is very important to us. And so with that, we understand that bucket truck ownership doesn't necessarily come in just the form of a bucket truck. There are many other aspects to that, and that might be getting rid of your used equipment, that might be financing your equipment, that might be sending your trucks to auction, that might be servicing your piece of equipment. And Altec has all those capabilities under one roof directly from the manufacturer, which is something that competitors aren't able to really do. So with that, we have Altec Capital Financing, which can help our customers get into a unit, and we also have a really good understanding of the residual value of units that can help structure those payments. Additionally, we have used truck, the ability to sell old used trucks. Maybe they're coming off lease, or maybe someone just wants to turn it in, get a trade value, or sending some older trucks to auction to help our customers retain the most value possible out of the asset that they're trying to get rid of. Altec also has the capability of a full rental fleet. We have a vast number of assets that are available out to the marketplace that are meant to serve all of the customers that we serve: utilities, tree care, lights and signs, all of the above. So that again gives our customers the flexibility to work with Altec from the cradle to the grave in terms of bucket truck ownership. So Altec is certainly and truly your one-stop shop for bucket truck ownership needs.